Hi guys, welcome to a new episode of my documentary. My name is Larry, and if this is the first time you're seeing this video, welcome to my channel. So I'll be showing you guys the trades I took recently because I've just been making this video now because I've been a little busy for a while, and also I've been having issues doing my videos because this is the first time I'm using YouTube to document, so I'm still here to like perfect my experience on some certain tools and all of that. But that's on that. I also passed my evaluation accounts on the 4th of June, so it was a good news for me and it's a new milestone. I passed the account, and also I'm going to take you guys through the trades I took on that week. I took about 3 trades that week, so I'm going to walk you guys through. No, 2 trades actually. So I'm going to walk you guys through. Then I'm going to walk you guys through the trades I've taken this week. So it's been a bad week though, but I'm going to explain the reason why. I'm going to show you the patterns I was able to recognize during these trades I took. So first things first, let's go to the chart, and I'm going to show you guys the trade I took on BTCUSD and on gold. So let's go to the chart, guys. So as you can see, guys, we have BTC here, and on the 15-minute time frame, you guys can see the loss I took on BTC, and this is a trade I took on gold on the 4th that I used to pass my account. It was a pretty nice trade, so I'm going to walk you guys through this trade. So you guys are just going to like ignore the previous drawing I've drawn, so we're just going to dedicate on the one I'm going to show you guys. And this is the 15-minute time frame. As you can see here, we have a change of character here, and we can see we've been having a downtrend, but after price swept liquidity at this level here, you can see this week price swept liquidity, and this was the other block that caused this change of character here. So I'm going to walk you guys through how I was able to get my confluence first on the higher time frame. So let's go to the 1 hour, guys. So looking at this chart here, you can see we have been bearish on BTC for a while. We've been bearish, and I've deleted my drawings here, so you guys might not be able to see my drawings here, but at the level I was, let me just go to the 4 hours. So let everything just, I prefer clarity over anything that don't things people won't understand, all of that. So you guys can see here, yes, this is the level here. So it's on the 4 hour. So I'm going to just use this line tool here. As you guys can see here, this was the zone I marked because it was the extreme zone at this leg here, because that's what my rule says, that use the extreme zone to take the trades. So as you can see, guys, here, this is the level here. So what we can see here is that price came here, took out this week. You can see wicks here, and after we got this week here, okay, price has taken out this low, and also where price took out the hold on, guys. As you can look at this place here, guys, price took out this last level here. Price took it out, and I'm going to show you guys. So price took it out at this level here, which was what I was looking for. Then we had a push up here, and what I did was go to the 15-minute time frame. So I'm just telling you guys the raw truth on how I was able to get this trade, what I did. So as you can see at this point here, we had this push up, which acts as a sweep, a candle sweep. This push up here, I was actually waiting for a change of character to the upside so that we'll be able to take the supply or an imbalance above. So we had this change of character which I was waiting for, which was my confirmation on the 15-minute time frame after a sweep. After we got this change of character, price came here, pushed back up, but failed to close at this level here. That was the first thing that happened when after this trade was a loss. That was the first thing I was able to spot. As you can see, guys, look at this level, guys. Price came here, we had this change of character, price came down here, then we had a push up. It gave us a change of character here. With this change of character, seller stepped in. This is a sweep here. Seller stepped in here. When price takes out this major wicks here, it's always a sweep. Then price took it out. You can see we have a lot of wicks here. Then price took it out, failed to close here, which could confirm that okay, yes, the buyers are still in the market. Then I had to wait for price to come to the extreme zone, and unfortunately the trade was a loss. That was the mistake I was able to spot, that I did not even pay attention to while I was taking this trade. And that's that for now. And let's go to the trade I took on gold. So this is the trade I took on gold, guys. You can see it's a pretty nice trade. It's a pretty nice trade, and I'm going to walk you guys through how I was able to take this trade. So on the 1 hour time frame, guys, you can see at this level here we'll be having this push back up after price took out this level. So what I was actually waiting for here was for price to come into this level here to take out this zone, because we have a zone at this level here. We have a zone. You guys can see, guys, this zone has an imbalance. So this was what I was actually marking. And what happened was, after we had this sweep, I actually waited for a change of character to the upside on the 15-minute time frame. So hold on, guys. So here is what happened. Now I'm going to explain something, guys. This is why I like using this indicator, because it helps me filter out bad zones and it makes me take good trades. Not that all my trades are always accurate whenever I use them, but at least it helps me filter out bad zones, weak zones. And I also don't like doing a lot of drawings. So that's just me. And what happened here was, you can see, guys, we had this push up here, but none of this zone caused a change of character to the upside, not until we got this candle body close here. So everything has been weeks. As you can see here, everything at this level has just been weeks. That they have just been weeks. So hold on, guys. So there has just been weeks. So you can see weeks and all of that. So they did not actually cause a change of character. If I was actually waiting for price to get to this level, I would have missed this trade. And after this change of character happened, we had a break of structure. I actually got into this trade late, so I just waited for price to come into this level here. And after price was going, I had to enter at this level because it was a late entry trade, because I knew where price was going. So as I was able to take the trade was a pretty nice trade, played out well. It was a 4-hour trade. So this was the trade I used to pass my evaluation account and got funded. And now I'm going to walk you guys through the trades I've taken this week, so you guys can see the mistake I made and all of that. I actually took bad trades, which was a mistake trade I shouldn't have taken, but out of ego and all of that, I took the trade and it cost my account, and the mistakes I made on some trades. So yeah, guys, as you can see, this level I marked here on the 4-hour, this level I marked here on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, it's, look at this level here. It's just a level here marked here. So price, I was actually waiting for price to come to this level before we get a push up. But unfortunately, what happened here was that, can I look for the trade? I don't want to miss this trade, guys. So just hold on, please. Let me just find this trade. So let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Let me get this trade. So here is it. We were bearish here, and I was actually waiting for price to come to that level. And the mistake I made on this trade was I did not use my technical analysis. Where I have to read the charts from like the daily to the hourly and to see the 15 minute where I take my execution. I did not do my top down analysis rather. So here is what happened. After we had this change of character here, that price came here, we had a break of structure. This break of structure was what I waited for price to come into and play out. But unfortunately, buyers stepped in, took the price higher, and we've been seeing price had to go and sweep this level here. Took out this level here before see a push down in the market. So this trade was an impatient trade actually, because I did not do my top down analysis. If I had done that, it would have been a different thing by now, but that's that. And for BTC, I also took some bad trades this week which cost my account, and I'm going to show you guys. So here is the trade I took this week, guys. This trade here, as you can see here, let me explain. So we had this drop down in the market where price was actually in sellers domination. Then suddenly we had this change of character to the upside, and what I did was waited. This is what happened, guys. I was actually waiting for price to take out this level and a change of character. Look at on this 1 hour time frame, guys. I don't want to get you guys confused or anything. So here is what happened. I still did not do my top down analysis on this trade as well, because it was an impatient trade, and I was actually hoping for price to just continue from the 15-minute time frame, guys. Hold on, guys. So it needs guys to just pay attention and just listen to what I'm just about to show you guys. So I did not do my top down analysis. I just got this change of character, and I was actually waiting for price to go back up. If price had a demand where it took out the liquidity on the higher time frame, this would have been a higher potential opportunity for price to play out. But I did not wait for me to do my top down analysis, and it also cost my account. So these are the trades I took this week. I also took a trade on XAUUSD. So guys, this is the trade I took on XAUUSD. So it was a midnight trade. Price took out this level here, this liquidity here. As you can see, just a week after price took it out, I did not actually wait for a proper confirmation, which is the change of character to the upside, for me to validate this trend was still going to hold. As you can see, we have pretty much imbalance here for price to go and target, but I did not wait for price to give me a proper confirmation before I enter. What I did was scale to the 5 minute. You can see this line here. I had to scale to the 5 minute to get my confirmation which was not ideal for my trades. I just wanted to take the trade at midnight and go to bed so that I was going to see what was going to happen. But unfortunately, it cost me. This was what happened. We had a change of character here, which I thought, okay, yes, price is changing character, yes, okay, it's going to the upside. So that's just the trades I took this week, guys. So whatever you want to like, you let me know in the comment. You can ask me any question, follow me to like, respond back, and anything is okay. You find this video helpful, whatever way possible. So you can just let me know, guys. So thank you so much. And by next week, I'll be taking some new trades on my funded account because I haven't taken any trades yet on that. So once I start taking trades, I'm going to surely document till I get funded, guys. So watch out, guys. Thank you for watching. Just subscribe, guys, if you find this video helpful. It's going to mean a lot to me and keep me going. And if you find this video interesting as well, you can also like my video. So thank you, guys, and stay safe.